So this question is a diagram question. I say that immediately because I see this bar graph here. This information here is what's provided by the test prior to question number 21 and 22. It says the bar graph shown summarizes the total number of businesses in thousands and the total number of tourism-related businesses in thousands in Iceland for each of 7 years. So I'd like to do something that I call the pinpoint method, where let's say I focus in on the year 2011 here and just make sure I can actually read the graph. So based upon my understanding, this 0.43 here for the gray bar represents the tourism-related businesses. Because it's in thousands, then I should be multiplying that 0.43 by 1,000, which tells me that there are 430 tourism-related businesses in Iceland in 2011. And then the 1.7 here represents the total number of businesses in Iceland in 2011. And that would be 1.7 times 1,000, which is 1,700 businesses. Okay, so I think I'm pretty confident that I understand how to read the graph here. So question 21 says tourism-related businesses employed 13.5 thousand people. So I don't like how this, so really it's 13,500 people in Iceland in 2009. So I'm focusing my attention on 2009 here. Which of the following is closest to the mean number of employees per, okay, so now I'm translating this, right? So T for translate, employees, which I'll say E, per means divided by, tourism-related business, right? So I'll just say TRB in Iceland. So I know how many tourism-related employees there were because there's 13,500. So that's my numerator, 13,500. And then how many tourism-related businesses were there in 2009? Well, it's the 0.37. Again, that's 0.58 for 2009, not 2010. So that's 0.58, of course, times 1,000, which means I move the decimal to the right 3 times, which means that there were 580 tourism-related businesses in Iceland in 2009. So 580 becomes the denominator there. And then all I'm going to do is go to my calculator and just divide 13,500 divided by 580. And what I get is 23.28, basically, employees, right? Because E is for employees. Employees per tourism-related business, right? I literally translated this from the question and then plugged in the numbers that related to it. So the answer that makes the most sense, because it does say is closest to that value. So the answer that makes the most sense is answer choice C.